Hi everyone, in front of me I've got POCO C50 and let me share with you how to soft reset your device. So the soft reset or force restart operation will be useful if for some reason your device do not work properly. So for example, if when the screen freezes and it do not respond to your touches, you cannot do actually anything and so on, the force restart option or the soft reset option may help you actually. So it will restart the device and after turning it on, it should work. So in order to do that, I promise it's so simple. All you have to do is to simply localize the power button, which is on the right side of your device. It is right here, and basically all we have to do is to press it and wait. And keep pressing actually. It will take around, I don't know, like 5 seconds or maybe 7 seconds. The screen should get black. And after that we will be able to see the developer's logo. Probably in this device, and the assistant is also connected with the power button, so we should ignore him. So let me try to soft reset this device. Let me press it and wait. As you can see, we've got the information about Google Assistant, and here we've got the options to, for example, reboot, but let's ignore it because let's pretend we cannot tap on it. And as you can see, and I hope that you heard it also, I felt the vibration. We had the black screen. Right now we've got the developer's logo, which simply means that our device will be turned on in a few seconds. Actually, you have to wait, and I hope that after turning it on, it will work properly. So basically that's all. This is how to soft reset or force restart your POCO C50. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.